Hey guys. All right, so I have two new babies that I want to share with you real fast before This Is Us comes on, because that's my show and I need to hurry up and do this. First new baby. Oh, let me just real fast. Thanks for coming to visit me today. Thank you for supporting my channel. Please subscribe and like all my videos. Please, like, why wouldn't you? Like, I know you get tired of hearing that. Please subscribe. Please click the like. But just do it for me, please. I would really appreciate it. Thank you. So anyway, let me share with you my two new babies. My face has been acting like a hoe these past few weeks. I don't know why. I do have hormonal issues, hormonal imbalance, but my face is really breaking out lately, and I don't know why. But ooh, excuse me. But I am going to share with you. I was sitting there depressed, looking, and I'm not like a conceited person or whatever, but my face. Look at it. Like, it was one here. I had to take my nose ring out. I'm about to go get it re-pierced though. I had one in my eyebrow. My whole forehead was covered. All down here, like, it looks a little better, but you can see the black spots from me like picking. Baby, I don't know what's going on with my hair. If you see me using one hand, or see I'm like kind of, yeah, I'm not like debilitated, but well, right now I am. I just had shoulder surgery, and I will tell you why in another video. But if you see me like not really using my other hand, I do have a hand. I just can't really move it that well right now, so just bear with me. All right, so first baby I got is the Vanity Planet Facial Cleansing System. Okay, so this is that little brush that you always see. Okay, and I usually just use my washcloth on my face, but now I am over the age of 30 and I know black don't crack, but I really want to start taking better care of my skin. You know, I really want to make sure, and these breakouts that are occurring that are not normal for me, I really want to get a hold of them before they get worse. So we got this guy, and then we got this guy. So this is the Vanity Planet Facial Steaming System. Is this system? Iconic Facial Steamer. Excuse me. Okay. I will read to you real fast what it does for you. It says relax and unwind while detoxifying your skin of impurities and dead skin cells with, I'm going to say it's pronounced Aira. Aira. Can you see that? Aira. Yeah. Excuse me. Our iconic steamer that's perfect for all skin types. Okay, we're gonna see. Feeling worn out from a long day, add your favorite essential oil and treat yourself with a trip to your very own sauna. And I'm gonna show you something, because first of all, oh, let me just read this little part right here. It hydrates and softens, makes your skin more receptive to skincare treatments, clarifies skin's complexion, and you can use with your essential oils for a therapeutic experience. That's all well and good. Let me tell you what I didn't know, and I don't know if it's because I'm always just like, I'm an impulsive anything. I'm an Aries. I'm impulsive. I just do it. Like, when I shop, I don't read the description. I don't read whatever. If I think this is something that I need or want, I click buy, and that's it. So when I did that, I didn't realize that you need to use distilled water, because if you don't, then you know the lime scale builds up and it'll get all through your face steamer, and you probably won't be able to get it out, and it'll be ruined. So they make it very clear all over the box, even on the actual steamer, to only use distilled water. Okay, this is my guy here. I'm going to plug it in. It has little suctions on the bottom. It's about as big as my head. I have a pretty big head. But this is the power button here. See if you can see that. Power button. This is the spout, or whatever you want to call it. I don't know. They probably have a name for it. Let's see. This is the user guide here. Let's see what they call it. This is the adjustable nozzle. Is what it's called, not spout. Okay. I'm going to show you the water tank. It's on the back here and right here in red, bold red. It lets you know. Okay, it won't focus. Whatever. Basically, it's just telling you, caution, only use distilled water in this. Okay, so I have to go to Giant and buy it because I don't have distilled water here. So you're going to pop it up like so. Min and max. You see that? Minimum, maximum. Okay. Gonna put your water in there. Pop this bad boy back on. Boom. That's it. Now, you're like, oh, essential oils. Well, you cannot put your essential oils in there either. So they have these little guys here, these little connectors that come with it. And what you do is, let me show you. Okay, this is what they look like. Okay. Now what you're going to do is you're going to take your essential oil that you would like for your therapeutic experience and put it on this little white thing inside that looks like a donut. That is basically like compressed cotton, and it's going to sop up your essential oil, and then you place it on here, on the front of here, like so. Okay, and that is how you get the steam comes through, and you'll get your essential oil through that way. They make it very clear that they do not want you putting anything in this machine except for distilled water. All right? So, as long as you follow the directions, we're not going to have any problems. And, you know, very simple. It is a little annoying that I maybe have missed that I was supposed to have distilled water. Didn't know that. So I'm going to go buy a gallon. And a gallon will probably take me, you know, take me out pretty long because it doesn't take that much water. And that tank lasts for 15 minutes. So when you fill it to the max, the tank will last for 15 minutes, which is enough. So let's go on to our facial cleansing system. This is called Raedia. I'm gonna guess that's the way they want you to pronounce it. Don't come after me, y'all, please. Especially you guys, Vanity Planet. You need to put like a, you know, like a sounder out, or I don't know what they're called, how to pronounce the the word, because I was really having a hard time, like, whatever. Let's open up this guy. It comes in this cute little case with the holes, breathable holes. Even though it has breathable holes, I probably would really make sure I'd get all the moisture out as much as I can, because bacteria can grow under in the little slots that it's under. It could probably grow under there. Okay, so I'm gonna look at the these are our brushes. Okay, and I have my manual. right here. Y'all need some sisters up in this joint. I think it was one somewhere in the back, I think. Or one the other one. All right, so let's go over the brushes real fast. So basically, you have your daily cleansing brush, which is this one. I have 5 minutes. This is us. Love that show. The light gray is your daily cleansing brush. Okay? Bzz. Very soft. Very soft. I really, really like this. Then you have your exfoliating brush, which is the light gray. I meant the dark gray. Still very soft, but just a little bit firmer. It feels like there's more bristles, more compact on this one. And then we have our silicone brush. Very soft. It feels so good. Like, I really, oh my God, love this brush right here. I cannot wait to use it. And then we have our, of course, our handle, the holder, the whole system. Because if it wasn't for this, you couldn't do anything. It has 2 settings to it. Has a low setting, and then it has a higher one. Okay, and I didn't put the brush on just so you could see the setting, how fast it was going. So the daily brush, I'm going to read to you real fast. It gently lifts away debris and dead skin cells, better than a manual makeup remover. So you want to use the light gray one every day, okay? The dark gray one, you want to use 2 to 3 times a week for that deeper clean. The dark gray one, the exfoliating brush, it removes deep-seated dirt and oil and debris from the lower layers of the skin to help those who are more acne prone. Okay, so this definitely is a must for me right now. I probably will use this 3 times a week for now, maybe the first 2 weeks, and then the next 2 weeks I will do twice a week. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do for them. Silicone brush. This is an everyday use brush right here. It gently cleanses sensitive skin and acne prone skin to loosen dirt and unclog pores. So I probably will use these guys first, the 2 gray ones. I'll use these guys first, then follow through with this one. Now on the days that I'm doing the deep cleansing, I'm just going to use this one and the silicone. There's really no need for you to use both the gray ones at one time. You can just you know, use one or the other those days, in my opinion. With the exfoliating brush, you do not want to use a scrub or anything with the beads. I don't even think they make anything with beads in it anymore, but a scrub with this, because it might be a little bit too harsh on your skin. They put that in here as a heads up, because I think that will do the job just as good as it needs to be done. That is pretty much it. I am going to I'm sorry, my phone cut off. I don't understand what happened, but whatever. I'm going to do a 30-day challenge, and I am excited to do that because I really need to start taking better care of my skin. So I'm going to do a before and after. I'm going to be posting a lot of videos, so you're probably not going to be able to tell the difference in my skin. So I'm going to show you on the 30th day, before and after on my, and then I'll talk about how good, if I think it was worth it, if I don't think it was worth it. I'll talk about because it's very pricey, you know. So I'm going to talk about whether or not I like them. But yes, these are my guys, my new babies here. Okay, had to do a thumbnail. And also real quick, I wanted to share with you, I am heavy into manifesting, and I'm heavy into meditation, and I'm very spiritual. And I just got my second I Am book. It's by Think and Ink Co. It's a manifestation journal. I really, really love this. I think everyone should have one of these. Basically, it's the I Am journal, and it's manifest your burning desires. Okay, on the side there. All right, so basically what you do is you really want to meditate twice a day. Real fast, a sneak peek. I'm not going to read it to you, but I'm just going to show you. So, excuse me. In the morning, you will do your morning ritual. And at night, you'll do your evening ritual. Okay? And when I say ritual, some people might be like, oh, is this some, satanic bullshit? No, I'm not into none of that satanic shit. None of it. I am strictly for God, positive and pure spirits. That's all I'm here for. Nothing evil. None of that. They stay far away from me because I am protected. And by my Savior Jesus Christ, none other than. So I really think that this is good. It helps you focus on what it is you really want in life, and it pushes you to pursue what it is that you want. So I Am journal. Please, I will leave the links for all this stuff, of course, below. But this is definitely something that people should have, especially when you have goals and things that you really want to get done, and you can refer back. This is my second one, so I'm excited to start up a new one. Yes, so thank you so much, guys, for watching, and I really, really hope you enjoy my channel. Yeah, if you have any questions or anything, please leave them in the comments. I will try to get back to you as soon as I can. My channel is growing, so it's not going to be an overwhelming response, I'm sure, but it will be it's not going to be an overwhelming response, but so I'm going to be able to get back to every one of you guys' questions. Yeah, that's it. I'm sorry I said so many times. I'm just thinking about my show. It's probably on right now. Okay, guys, I have to watch This Is Us, but I love you, and thank you so much for watching. Also, my sweatshirt, if you were wondering where I got it from, God is Dope is a clothing company based out of Atlanta, and I will leave the description and their Instagram. Well, I'll leave their Instagram in the description box below. So, all right, guys, enjoy your evening. Bye.